Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me.
Cool kid. Come on, right here, buddy. Cool bags. Come on. Great. Bobo's swimming. Look at him swim. That's. I'll record it on my phone camera too.
Not real. Draw it down.
Where you going? I'm dirty.
One, two,
The best
three,
time. One, two, three, go! Hey, go jump in the deep end, man.
That's the mommy.
Okay, come on.
That's our
Yeah, there we go.
baby.
Swim. Yeah, swim to the edge. Yeah. Good job, buddy.
I wouldn't be sure if I can still swim or not, to be honest. I'm just like this walking over there.
But you're tall enough to kick it off and push up.
Jump in it.
You're not a turtle.
Jump in it.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do.
I just want to check, just for sure.
I know, I feel that. That's real. One, two, three. Say cheese to the camera. Say happy 4th of July. Swim to Bebo. 7. Well, you swam pretty good to me.
Thank you.
So now you gotta jump. Hey, everybody else got theirs covered. You know, I'm about to go to the store to get some drinks. You know what I'm saying? Had to come pull up for the 4th of July. She always down to ride. Every time. Every time. Yeah, but press it hard. Push it. Yeah. Don't keep doing it, because I know you will.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay. Okay. Hey, vlog, we going. He ain't touching buttons like he about to start the car at all. We're about to go to the store right quick. 7, you should really stop touching buttons. Okay.
Just, nobody.
My edges are not laid down. But knows how to take it. Hey. Yeah, yeah. Vibes. Miracle's about to move her car.
On camera.
I do.
Oh my God, y'all didn't just see that.
Okay, just the night vibes. Wait, can I see your light for a second, Miracle? Oh, well, say hello to the camera, Caleb.
Hi.
Don't act too sexy for the vlog.
Hey.
Say hey to the vlog.
What's up, guys?
This is the vibe for tonight. And me and Miracle, we got
so
our...
do we like push this over to get in here? Or we just gotta. Dang, she just did you in.
I don't care, man. I got big feet, and I am proud of it too. I got big, long legs and big feet.
Finally, about to get in the hot tub. Well, they're in.
Still, that was
I've been running back and forth to the house.
Still.
But I'm about to get in now.
Yeah, you get this much water. You think I should disconnect it and try it again? Yeah.
Well, we just took pictures. These lights are everything.
Literally.
Y'all,
She need that.
I need that.
Need that TikTok shot.
I've been in the water for like
Because they're literally ramen noodles.
cooked, my boy.
Soaking in that mug.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut
some niggas out, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street.
I be submissive for you. Hold that pistol for you. Throwing kisses at you. Oh, you hurt that miserable. Shining bitches love money.
But yeah, anyways, so we go into the waterfalls and we're gonna walk on the rocks and take some cute pictures. You know, we gonna take some cute pictures.
The vibes are the pictures. Yeah.
We are the vibe.
Yeah, that.
We be in the pictures.
Yeah. No, dead serious. Everything's for the pic. Like the
Everything.
memory. I gotta capture
What
the
do
memory.
they be saying? Doing it for the plot.
Literally.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot. Oh, you speak French now.
How much longer do we have to
We
go?
got 20 minutes.
Yes.
So we're moving because our ride started off at 48
Oh yeah,
minutes.
look at the mountains.
So pretty.
Look at the mountains.
I forgot.
On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 days, thinking what I did to keep you going. Coming through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you.
That's real.
Go ahead and get a room.
We'll be on the way. That's so funny. Cause that's so true. Wouldn't that be a call? Oh my gosh. That would be amazing.
G. Okay.
You like
G.
I would like to go out to the falls with my
G.
Good morning, vlog. We're going to see Chris Brown. Y'all, we going to Florida. Me and Mara just pulled up at TT's spot. We're waiting on T. Y'all, we so ready to see Chris Brown in summer. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, that's your dance moves for the concert. Yes. We waiting on TT to come out now. And then after TT come out, we goes to pick up Ashlyn. We got a T now. Off to get Ashlyn. Okay.
The controller floor.
The old Android plug.
Yeah.
Okay, hello vlog.
Cause that plug fit everything.
Update. Our flight got delayed. So let me tell y'all. So we're going for the Chris Brown, Summer Walker, Bryson. This is so gross, y'all. Chris Brown, Summer Walker, Bryson Tiller concert. And we picked the flight that landed at 4:30. Concert starts at 7. Doors open at 5. But the airport is only 7 minutes from our room. So we were like, okay, we're cool. We came to the airport with our makeup, accessories, all that, all done, right? They just delayed our flight. So we basically landed like, what time do we land at now? 5:30? Yeah, so we now land at like 5:30. So we just lost an hour of time to get ready. So guess what we did? We sat up in this airport and we put on what we did. We did fix the lashes, makeup, jewelry, hair. I did this. Ashlyn done did her hair up. Wait, okay. Mara done fixed her hair and her makeup. TT2. So literally all we have to do now is get dressed. We was even contemplating that until we thought about it, and we were like, no. Because it's already embarrassing enough that we've been digging in our suitcases for the last hour trying to get dressed. But yeah, so we're here and we're waiting. We're here and we're waiting, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update when we're about to take off. Right now it's 2:01 and our flight doesn't even board till 4. So yeah. It really. What's in the bag? Whoa, 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 whoa. Privacy. Oh, not the left and right. Oh. Period. Look at that one over. Right. What's in the bag? Hey, hey. Yeah. This girl. Period.
They're fucking joking right now, right?
Ain't no jokes.
Let's say, will you marry me?
With some losers.
That's so dramatic.
She's dramatic.
I feel like I'm getting what's it called when you get iced.
Ashley, please.
You don't know when they hand you a Smirnoff and you gotta.
You did not say that.
You know what I'm talking about? It's called getting iced.
I ain't never look.
Look it up.
No, that's not. Do you in the airport and you said ice out loud? I know. Them immigrants about to ruin their asshole.
Big breeze. Big breeze finally here. An hour and a half. Wait.
Oh, don't we know? I said, oh, don't we know?
Update.
No, I have not read this one.
It's 4:17 and we are still on the ground.
We were supposed to be landing.
We were literally supposed to be landing.
And it appears that we've landed, but this is takeoff.
And I have 4 minutes of freaking storage left. What? I have to delete some stuff. Bye. Y'all, we're here. We're late. It's, what time is it? 6:51. Concert starts in 9 minutes. We may miss Summer Walker, but that's okay. We still have Chris Brown, Star of the Show, and Bryson Tiller. But full fit check. Got the jersey, because you know, Breezy fans, you know, if you know, you know. But the pink for Summer Walker. Then a mini skirt. Platforms. Sheen. Fashion Nova. Sheen. 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 Alright guys, concert 10 out of 10, bro.
Yes. About.
We missed Bryson Tiller, who cares? We got to see Summer Walker at the bitter end. We caught about what? About 3-4 songs with Summer Walker. Enough to vibe. 2. But I heard her in the beginning, like I heard her as we were walking to our little station. But Chris Brown, 10 out of freaking 10, bro. Oh my goodness. Then we had to walk over a mile to get to a spot where we could actually order Uber because there were so many people. Yeah, I don't know. My feet are cooked. Shoes dirty. Let me show y'all how my shoes look now. We don't walk 10 miles in them. Ooh, I got smudges on the side of them and stuff. And this one here is real dirty. I'm gonna have to put these in the washer. That's funky. But yeah, I took my shower. Ruth is on the floor over here. And I sure hope I just took out my little brunch fit in the morning because we got brunch at 12 noon. And yeah, let's cut this length. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, we got brunch at 12 noon.
I'm just in the back.
And yeah, Ruth is just happy to be here. Good morning, vlog. This is today's vibe. I got
Tom, where you at?
in the living room. I got the pastel colors on. Oh, my camera is on. So. Bitch hat. Oh, Titi, this your shot right here.
There's something on my leg.
Yours is the cold one right here.
Oh,
you and Titi can share.
It's straight.
Yeah, come on.
Oh no, I will throw up right now.
You can use some Gatorade.
Ashley,
Okay,
do that.
go into the car. Fine.
Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler.
Diamonds keep the roof. Ooh, I done bought the coupe. Ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause a lot of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone in the list, cause I'm supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in no Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how to do it.
That's cute. That's cute. We got the swimsuits on, like our own little person.
See that South State building right behind you?
This shit right you can put it in the cab, send it to a Arab. Hit them with the net now. Last whole body scale. Cash on delivery. Hey, go pop of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the criterious, all the bitches lipstick, and a pussy slippery. I can call a troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never kick a roots. I can send a moose. Niggas on the chain, but they ain't worried with food. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me ooh. Ooh, diamonds keep the roof. Ooh, I done bought the coupe. Ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause a lot of bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped.
Me and TT are just walking
To the sunset.
to the sunset. We were like, shoot, we out here at sunset time. Let's see what we can catch. Mara is chilling on the, like right by the shore. Ruth is asleep. We don't know where Ashlyn is. She was chugging. You can't bring any outside, like, this salt, I mean, this sand is hard to work in. You can't bring any outside beverages in besides water, and Ashlyn had beer. So she's chugging her beer and probably chatting it up. This is a cool little spot, isn't it?
I love it here.
I pulled up in that 18th, let it repeat buggy. Had to switch the hue cause I'm LA boy smuggy, but more likely to get hurt by somebody who love me. My lady, she don't trust me.
Where are you?
Birds, where are you? Huh? Say cheese.
Mommy,
What?
I'm gonna wait.
The birds. And he is fascinated with the birds. Don't touch it. Yeah, those are birds. 2, 3, go! Go!
Wait.
It's the seashells.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you.